Introducing the best slow TV channel, Silence TV. Enjoy beautiful landscapes, observe different people's hobbies, and travel to other countries and continents. Silence TV will become your window into the world, your family and
Silence TV is a leading slow TV channel. It offers absolutely a new type of video content. TV channel Silence World offers slow and high quality movies that will become your eyes into this big world as well as help you relax. You will enjoy the most beautiful landscapes as well as travel to other countries and continents. Silence World will become your window into the world. You will be able to calmly contemplate and admire wonderful nature existing in the faraway corners of the world. Silence TV is a unique channel because it also offers an opportunity to observe different people's hobbies. Dive into this subtle world of relaxing and, for example, watch doing yoga. You will never be bored with Silence TV channel. Slow TV is not just a repeating video of a burning fireplace or running river. It shows an attractive action and environment. Videos are informative. At the same time, they influence feelings and emotions.